Where are we going?
To Magellan's Cross.
Yeah.
Here we are at Casa Gordo, the old colonial Spanish Filipino house. Very beautiful, and we're sitting in the garden having a little rest. This is the first stop on the way to Magellan's Cross.
Yeah. So, yeah, napakaganda po pala dito. So, pag naligaw kayo sa Cebu, ipasyal po kayo dito. Napakaganda dito. Napaka-relaxing siya. Napakaganda ng view at saka yung grabing historical talaga. Historical. So, napasyal po kayo dito sa Cebu, punta po kayo dito. Try nyo po pumunta dito, pumasyal dito. So, yun po. Tactics po ulit sa pupunta na po kami dun sa Magellan Museum, right? Is that right?
Magellan's Cross.
Magellan's Cross, yeah.
Yeah. Here we're at the second stop, the History of Cebu Heritage Monument. It's like a 360-degree statue that you can walk all around, showing historical events from the colonial past of the city. Stop. Oh, one of the stops. And we just passed the cathedral, and now here we're looking at the Cebu City Hall, and behind us here is the Cross of Magellan. So we're going to go inside there and check it out.
Yeah. So yeah, show you around. Papakita po namin sa inyo. So nandito po kami sa Magellan Cross. So ito po siya. Yan, ito po sa kabila po yung City Hall. So papakita po namin sa inyo.
Escampo. Ikaw na sa mimi.